clear na. And pagdating po sa ating air track area, yung may tangle, wala po muna mahawak sa ating rope, okay? Kailangan po, aayusin lang po natin yung line natin doon sa taas ng ating air track area. Okay, come on kids, and let's go to our playing area. Come on! And to all the parents and guardians, please proceed beside at the air track area. Okay, safety reminder, no pushing kids, no jumping at the top of the air track area, and do not hold the rope. Do not hold the rope, and please follow your teammates. Come on! Okay, so come on kids, pag-ayos po ang ating line, bago tayo mag-start sa ating game. Everybody hands up! Hands up! Okay. Very good. Sabi ni Nala Chan, very good ang ating mga kids today. Kaya naman kids, everybody hands up! Shake your hands! Okay, so bago tayo mag-start, parinig naman po kami ng malakas na cheer kids. Go, Team A! Go, Team B! And now, let's begin to our game for round 1. Time for game. Kaya naman, Team A and Team B, are you ready? Nana Chan and parents, are you ready to cheer? Okay, get ready kids for round 1. In 3, 2, 1, get out! And now for the round 1. Congratulations, Team A! Good job! Okay, so may 1 point ang ating Team A. Kaya naman po, Team B, reminder na po ni Nana Chan, habang po kayo sa ating second round. Kaya naman, ang tanong ni Nana Chan, babawi ba ang Team B? Ayan, so patunayan niya sa ating second round. Kaya naman, everybody, hands up! Hands up! Shake your hands! Okay, get ready. At yan, patusok po ng ating mga kids dito sa front. And then, tulak po dun sa gitna and sa dulo. Ayan, usok-usok natin. Okay, kaya naman kids, get ready for our second round. Second round, everybody hands up. Shake your hands. Hands up. And everybody, let's sing, sing, sing. Ayan, mas malakas pa. Everybody, let's sing, sing, sing. Good job. Bringing your kids and energy. Kaya naman, get ready for our second round. Nana Chan and parents, are you ready to cheer? Team A and Team B, are you ready? Get ready for our round 2. In 3, 2, 1, here! Come on! Congratulations, Team B! Good job! Okay, so nakahabol ang ating Team B. Good job! And now we have a tiebreaker. Now let's proceed to our final round, kids. Once again, congratulations, Team B! Okay, so matindi ang laban natin, kids. Everybody hands up. Shake your hands. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Team A ba ang mananalo? How about Team B? Team B ba ang mananalo? Parinig naman po ng cheer. Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Okay, so get ready for our final round. Okay, once again, everybody please compress Team A. And of course, Team B, everybody please compress. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so congratulations again, Team B. Good job. At isang bigyan naman din natin ng palakpak ating mga Team A. Good job. And now, hello, Team A. Hello. At dahil nanalo ang Team B, bibigyan natin sila ng 5 points and say, very good. We get thumbs up. Everybody, hands up, Team A. Hands up. Hands up. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Very good. Everybody, hello, Team B. And dahil nag-record ang aming Team A, bibigyan natin sila ng 10 points and say, good job. Everybody, hands up. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Good job. And lahat po tayo babalik na sa ating area. Everybody, eyes forward, please. Ayan, so sa lahat po ng ating mga kids, everybody please go here in our event area. Everybody on sidewalk. Sidewalk. Hands up. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Shake your body. Everybody let's sing, 7. Okay, so sabi nila na Chen, gusto niyo ba ng surprise? Okay, so later pa po yan. And now, magdadance muna tayo ng ating favorite dance nila, Child and Love is a Treasure. Ngayon naman, kids, are you ready to dance again?
Mamaya.
Okay, hands up. And slowly down your hand like this. Shake your hands. Let's sing together. Okay, for the second time, mas malakas pa ng uri, okay? All the parents and guardians, please ready your camera for our grouping picture. Okay, Kat, ready kids for the second time uri? Please wave your balloons and wear your prettiest smile. Get ready kids in 3, 2, 1, kids, sing it!
A friendly reminder to please check your stuff and your checkout time. Thank you!
Ay, ikaw ah. Nandoon ako. Ano si Maki? Magsakay ka dun oh. Alam ko, nika.
So, it's a Easter Sunday. So, bukas na po yan, katanapin. So, meron po tayong Easter. So, meron sa bukas, kung pumunta kayo kids, meron po kami egg painting contest. Ayan. So, meron siyang special prize for the winners. And syempre naman sa mga non-winner, meron din pong prize. Kaya naman po asahan po namin ang pagpunta niyo po bukas at 3:15 p.m. Ayan. So, pupunta po ba kayo lahat bukas? Not sure? Okay. So, kids, ayan. So, see you tomorrow. And let's say bye-bye to Nana Chan. Everyone, let's say bye-bye to Nana Chan kids. Okay, thank you so much for joining in our special event. And we hope po na makita namin kayo bukas. Ayan, sana po magpunta po kayo dito ulit. At mag-please